All right, today we are talking about how we are going to transform our digital marketing agency right now. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Mike Mancini, and I'm a digital marketing agency owner for the last 9 years, and we specialize right now in Google Ads. Now, when I started my digital agency almost 10 years ago, when we were getting started, we were concentrating on everything, right? Brand new business, you will pretty much do anything you can to get paid. And that became an issue for us not long after we got started. We were working with clients on their SEO or search engine optimization. We were doing content marketing. We were doing Google Ads. We were doing website design, all of these different things. Now, the problem with that is, as technology has gone on, it has gotten harder and harder to keep up with the changing trends and rules for all of these different types of services. So therefore, what we decided to do was niche down and only work on one thing that we were actually really good at, which was Google Ads, and we stopped doing everything else and have been that way since. Now, as time has gone on, things have changed dramatically. Now, not necessarily in the sense that we want to be that boutique agency again, because I personally do not. But technology and the tools have become easier to use, easier to implement, as well as have brought much more value to potential clients. And you hear me talk about simplification a lot and how much I like to help people simplify their businesses, especially their business marketing. And the way that we are transforming our agency right now is by implementing some of these brand new tools that have become available to our existing clients, as well as offering them to others as well. So the tools I'm talking about implementing, and you may have seen them out there, are with a company called Go High Level. Here's a new website that we have set up that will help offer these marketing tools to existing clients as well as to potential new clients to help get them into our agency. And we are using these for two reasons. One is, when we're trying to sell Google Ads, a lot of people understand that Google Ads is a great service and can work for them. But one, they may not trust us yet. Two, it's a higher price point ticket. With that said, the Go High Level platform allows us to sell a bunch of other tools to either get them onboarded with us, where we can show them some amazing value, help get them some leads at a very affordable price point, and then we can upsell them to our Google Ads program later. Or maybe it's a smaller business that might not necessarily use Google Ads, but the tools provide a huge value to them at, once again, a very affordable price point. So here is our new website, Service Marketing Simplified. And you can see just some of the tools that we're going to offer. We can offer them to help get them more reviews through their Google My Business listing. We can help message customers through text message, email, Facebook message, Google, and more. And all of this is on one single platform. We can take a single line of code and add it to their website, and they will have a web chat wizard on their website. Now, not only that, but whenever somebody messages them through Facebook or Google My Business or the web chat wizard, it comes all right to their phone. They get a little notification and they can respond to their phone. You can get paid faster. So there's a system where we can set them up a Stripe account if they don't have one already, which is super simple. It takes about 5 minutes. And if a client's at a customer's house and they did $100 worth of business and they need to send that person an invoice, they can do it with their phone, hit send, and it will text them a link, the customer link, where they can pay immediately. There is missed call text back. And for a lot of my clients who are service businesses, this is huge. If they miss a call, right away the person who called will get a text message saying, "Hey, this is ABC Company. I'm so sorry I missed your call. How can we help?" So if they even just get one client from that, because we all know that it's huge that you answer the phone. But if you're a business owner and you're out on the job, sometimes it's just not possible to answer the phone every time it rings. This makes sure you do not miss those potential leads. There is a CRM, and there are a number of other services that basically I as an agency owner can implement for our potential clients. Now, I know this may sound like a massive technical headache, but trust me when I say this is as simple as it gets. Our typical onboarding process will take approximately 20 minutes. Think about that. 20 minutes to set up a client to potentially collect $300, $400, $500, $600 in revenue month after month after month. And this software all works seamlessly. You are not talking about setting up all of these different tools in different places, getting them to connect, getting them to work, because we all know how much of a pain that can be, as well as if one thing fails, the whole system goes kaput. This is, and I don't use this term lightly, this is an absolute game changer for our agency. We are going to be rolling this out and selling this product, a handful of the tools at a price point of approximately $297 a month. Now, if they just get one client, for most of them, if this helps them get one client or even manage their business even a little bit easier, it is without a doubt a huge value add to that business. Not to mention that a lot of these businesses have all of these different tools or a bunch of them, and the total cost of all those tools is well over that $297 price point. So not only will you be getting them more leads, helping make their business easier, but you will be helping save them money. And as I said, we're not only going to be rolling this out to our current clients, we are going to be using this to help sell to get other people into our agency. As I said, some people Google Ads aren't set up for, but this is. And later we can either upsell our Google Ads services, or if Google Ads aren't right for them, we are still getting that recurring monthly revenue month after month after month. And the churn rate, or the rate that people fall off, is right around 3 to 4%, which means once people start using this software, they love it and they can't live without it. And the best part about all of this is we pay $497 for the Go level plan. What this includes is, it includes all of the tools that not only I'm saving money with, because I'm basically integrating all of my services onto this platform. So I'm saving a ton of money by not having these individual services, $100 here, $150 there, $200 here. I'm now going to save myself money by paying $497 a month. Not only that, but I can then sell all of these services and charge whatever I want to as many clients as I want. And I keep that money. And I know that's hard to believe, but it's $497 a month that I pay that I can sell as many times as I want and collect as much revenue as I decide to charge. Now, if you want to get signed up with that Go High Level platform, we have an exclusive, which we set up with them, a 30-day trial. Typically, it's only a 14-day trial. And if you purchase the $497 a month plan, not only will you get the awesome software that you can use, but we will include all of our templates that we have used and built as well. And if you are on the Go High Level $97 or $297 plan, to be able to sell this and white label it to sell to others, you do have to upgrade to the $497 plan. And if you give us our affiliate credit, which really obviously helps us out, we will once again include all of our templates for you. There is a link down in the description area below to our 30-day free trial. And if you sign up, we'll make sure you get those templates. And if you're interested in starting or growing your digital marketing agency, over the next 2 weeks, I'm recording a brand new training module that I'm going to include in my Ads Agency Unlocked program. The Ads Agency Unlocked program shows you exactly how we started and grew our digital marketing agency using Google Ads. But the new training module is all about the Go High Level software, the platform, how we're using it in our business, how we're going to sell it, and so on. And when that training module is finished and complete, we will be increasing the price of our Ads Agency Unlock program, which right now is a steal at $797. We will be raising that price significantly. And think of it this way. If you get 2 clients with the new high level platform and the software, how we show you how to do it, or just one Google Ads agency client, you will obviously have more than paid for our training program, which is an amazing value. And if you're interested in the Ads Agency Unlock program, there is a link in the description area below for that as well. So I have a question for you. Do you think that this would work for your agency? Do me a favor, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear about it. And also, if you like this video or found value, please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and that little bell icon, and you'll be notified of when we release new videos each and every week. So once again, if you're interested in adding this Go High Level program to your agency, or interested in just getting started with an agency, there is a free 30-day trial in the description area below. And once again, you will get our templates. And if you want to see more videos like this, over to the right-hand side, you will see some other related videos. Thanks so much for watching. I do greatly appreciate it. I love your guys' support, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.